Hmm.
Gano'n kalupit ang tingin ng mga Hapones sa
So by the
SB19.
virtue of
And just like that, we are in the middle of November. This is November 15. And yes, you are watching the TT Show. I am Alwin Ignacio, the Diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And of course, this is the Saturday episode of the TT Show. Tariana Talakin Showbiz Edition, Mare. In your bonggang-bonggang Donya Okara outfit, ilan na ba ang ating organic
Well,
subscribers?
we now have 14,726 plus subscribers.
Thank you so much for subscribing, for watching, and of course, sharing us your comments, whether it's good or bad, happy and sad. And for our easy round, we cannot, of course, deny the fact that ibang-iba talaga ang pagbida ng tinatawag na ngayon Philippine World, ano ko? May bago silang title na nakalimutan ko, parang Philippine Idol or Philippine World Idol whatsoever. But of course, we are talking about the Southeast Asian Pop Superstar Group or our P-Pop Kings SB19 na bumida sa Nikkei. Ano nga ba ang Nikkei? Ano nga ba ang Nikkei? Ito ay isang basa mare.
Nikkei is Japan's most influential business newspaper, highlighting their growing international influence. This coverage is part of
A
a
broader.
broader trend of P-pop groups' success in Japan. Following their debut on the Billboard Japan Top Album Sales chart with the EP Simula at Wakas.
Mhm.
The Nikkei report
Specifically,
specifically focused on the group as
trendsetters.
trendsetters, noting their achievements in the Japanese
This
market.
market.
Wow.
Okay. Hindi ba? Palakpakan muna natin sina John Pablo Nasser, si Josh Carlin Santos, si Joaquin De Dios, si Stella Hero, and of course, my love, Ken Suson. Because it's not every day that Nikkei features artists outside of Japanese arts and culture
Mm.
and show business.
Suplado sila.
Supladong-suplado sila.
My
Mas suplado
God.
pa sila sa New York Times
Na
at mas
talaga.
suplado pa sila sa Variety.
Ay, may ganon.
Gano'n talaga ang Nikkei. Talagang ano lang talaga sa kanila, kung sino lang ang artist sa bansa nila.
Mm.
Yun lang ang bibigyan nila ng panahon, ng pagkakataon, ng importansya. So napakalaking bagay na itong ma-feature ang SB19 sa nasabing at business magazine yun, Mars, ha?
Ah,
Parang
business newspaper.
business to paper. Parang pinapakita nila talaga na in Japan, SB19 has not only become a entertainment force, but an arts and culture force as well, simply because they are introducing and allowing Japanese people to embrace our music and our culture.
Mm.
Ganun kalupit ang tingin ng mga Hapones sa
So by the
SB19.
virtue of Simula at Wakas concert,
The Simula at
yun
Wakas,
ang nag-ano sa kanila.
the Simula at Wakas concert, and recently, di ba, they had two first take episodes, yung Dam, pwede
Mm-mm.
kanta yung Dam, at yung Time. So simula at wakas, tapos yung dalawang performances nila sa First Take,
Mm.
which is a very popular YouTube program where kakanta ka na isang beses lang. Walang
Mm.
cut, walang paulit-ulit,
Mm.
isang take.
Mm.
So this is the fourth time that SB19 has become a guest sa First Take. Yung
Mm.
third guesting nila was they sang Dam, and then they sang Time from the Simula at Wakas album.
Mm. So they were applauded.
Applauded,
Mm.
and kasi YouTube show yon, after one day by the millions agad ng views.
Wow.
Ganun sila kasikat sa Japan. And
Oo.
the fact that parang Nikkei is like a business bible.
Mm.
Parang the who's who of Japanese business reads it.
Wow. So they're being read
Yes, they're
by the
being
business
read
people,
by business
by
people,
magnates,
by magnets, by moguls,
tycoons.
tycoons, mavericks,
Mm.
mavens.
Mm-mm.
Name it, you have it.
Ay.
Ganun kasosyal ang 1Z, which is the production team of SB19, and of course, SB19. So, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga
Oo
boys
nga,
dahil
my God.
that's history in the making.
Oo, at tsaka parang that's a big feat and big and tall act to follow, 'di
Yes,
ba?
yes.
Parang you cannot replicate it
Yes, oo.
nor ano, higitan, 'di ba? Parang
Mm.
mahirap.
Oo. Saka talagang dapat naramdaman ka namang Hapones lalo na mga editor, 'di
Mm,
ba? Nung nasabing business magazine parang, "Who is this P-pop group? Well, let's check them out." 'Di
mm.
ba? And then their curiosity was
Eh,
satisfied and they featured
how were
them.
they able to understand the lyrics? Were
And
they
then during most of the videos of SB19 has English lyrics. I don't know if their videos have Japanese subtitles as well. That
Hmm.
I don't know.
Oo, kasi 'di ba parang mahirap,
Basta alam
'di
ko
ba?
may English subtitles, hindi ko na alam kung may Japanese subtitles. But I'm sure there are people in the business paper that know how to speak and read English.
At saka hindi, that's a very big achievement because they were pleasing the moneyed
Oo,
few, 'di
yes.
ba? Parang,
Parang parang pang
ay,
top 1%.
oo, parang biro mo na-impress nila 'yun, 'di ba?
Mm.
For them to get featured, 'di ba?
Yes.
That's something else.
Oo. And another feat na ginawa ng SB19 right now is that sila po ang kakanta ng theme song ng Honor of Kings. Ang entitled ng song ay Burn the Flame.
Ano 'yun?
It's an online game. This is
Hmm,
going to be a very, very big celebration
hmm.
or an anniversary, I think, here in Manila at kakanta ang SB19 nung nasabing theme song,
Ah, so
nung
is
Honor of Kings.
so they are endorsing the
I'm not sure if they're endorsing the game, but what I'm sure of, the theme song of the game, sila ang kakanta.
Hmm,
So it's going to be a very, very big, big, big event na for gamers, yung mga naglalaro-laro talaga ng mga online.
hmm.
Diba? And also again, just like what they did for Nikkei, it's also the first Filipino to be able to do such. And that yung promotion ng Burn the Flame song nila is not only being promoted here in Manila, but in all the other in all the other countries na yung Honor of King ay malaking game. Like in UK, in the US, in Japan,
Hmm.
in
So it's
Taiwan.
a worldwide
Oo.
event.
Oh, it's a worldwide event and the song will not only be limited to the Philippines.
Mm. It will
Paparating
spread
oo,
out
it
sa
will spread
iba-ibang
out
bansa.
sa iba't ibang bansa na may Honor of King games.
So, the song was specifically written for the
For the
game.
games, oo. I think
Hmm.
Pablo Nace might be the author of it.
So, it's an English song.
It's an English song.
Oo, kasi hindi puwedeng Pilipino,
Oo,
'no?
it's an
Hindi niya
English song.
maintindihan.
Oh, it's an
So
English
so
song.
it has to have an international appeal, 'di
Yes.
ba? Parang
Mm.
it's not confined to the Philippines lang, kailangan may broader appeal.
Oo.
So,
And
iba.
I think talaga this is their season to conquer more countries, to conquer the world, and really show to everyone what P-pop is all about.
Tsaka parang there is unlimited success, 'di ba? Parang
Yes.
they were exploring too wide a horizon, 'di ba?
Mm.
Parang it keeps on coming,
Oo,
'di
'di
ba?
ba
Parang
yung Fast Zone,
oo,
fashion.
parang they were just plowing, 'di ba? Parang
Fashion.
oh,
Tapos yung Honor of Kings
binubungkal na lang
Gaming.
nila, oo.
Honor of Kings Gaming. Tapos yun, a business paper
Mm. Na
discovered
feature,
them and gave them a feature.
mm.
Aside from the fact na, alam mo naman, before, na-feature na sila ng Forbes.
Oo.
Diba ngayon, Japan.
And and they're the only P-pop group na
Oo,
to
sila
be
pa
given
lang.
such an
They're really
honor.
paving the way. At
Mm.
ito pa rin ang nagbibigay ng honor sa atin,
Ay,
syempre Mare.
talaga?
Ang ating mga letter sender, sino ang aming unang letter sender?
Si Ann Guzman,
Oo.
love watching your show, Alex and
And
Alwin.
ano, what I have to say, even kahit doon sa mga live chatting,
Mm.
Ann Guzman always says hi to us.
Talaga?
Yeah, so Ann
So,
Guzman, we
hi.
love you. Thank you so much for supporting and watching the Kitty Show. From Miss Rizalina Fidelino, she loves watching the Titi Show. Sabi niya nga, love watching you. How do you feel about that, Mare?
Ang alin?
Itong mga letter senders natin, mahal na mahal ang Titi Show.
Maybe they've seen something unique in us, 'di
Mhm.
ba? Maybe we appeal to them because we are intellectually articulate and as somebody said, 'di ba? We're we're intelligent enough,
Okay.
'di ba?
Okay na ako dun sa maganda ako,
Ah,
maganda ka. Kamukha ka ni Pilar Pilapil. Sino nga ba kamukha ko ulit? Rita Gomez.
aray.
At dahil diyan, before even read the letter of Shih Tzu, I would just like to say hi to Ernie Goldsworth, our
Hmm.
friend from New York, who makes it
Ay,
a habit to
oo.
watch
Oo,
us.
si Ernie and he even comments on our Facebook pages,
Yes.
'di ba?
Oo. Hi, Ernie. Thank you
Ang
for
gagwapo
watching.
nung
Oo,
nung
mga friends
pino-post,
niya.
mga
Ang sabi
friends.
niya sa akin, ang tawag niya mga doon, transactional friends. Ang
Wow,
taray ng term, di
'di
ba? Pauso
transactional
na natin yung
friends?
transactional relationships na
Wow,
yan.
my God.
So, basa Mare, para sa'yo to.
Shih Tzu, from Shih Tzu. Wow, doggy ba
Mm.
ito? The TT
Taong
show,
matalino.
oo,
Basahin
the
mo.
TT show has class in reporting
Reporting.
showbiz news, and their comments are precise, very true, and unbiased. Love them. Watching every weekend.
Hi,
Wow,
thank
'di
you so,
ba?
so much, Shih Tzu. The next time you write us a letter, please give us your real name. Kasi alam
Oo.
namin naman na you're hiding under a pseudonym, di ba? So, bigyan mo na sa amin ang totoong pangalan mo para mas mabigay ka namin ng tamang-tamang pagbati. At ito
Yeah.
pa, this is our favorite Kim Pao from Geneva, Switzerland.
Yeah.
Si Miss Alice Lopez, ang sabi niya, I love honest people like Madam Alwin and Madam Ultra Maldita. Kaya lagi ako nanonood sa inyo. Go lang po, The Kitty Show. May napapasaya po kayo. 'Di ba? So,
Si
Alice
Kim Pao
Lopez, our favorite Kim Pao
from
from
Geneva.
Geneva, Switzerland.
Wow, 'no, taray.
'Di ba? All over the planet ang ating mga guests. And on
Yeah.
that note, this is Alvin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita,
Hi, this is Alex
and
Brosas.
you are watching the Saturday episode of the Hiti Show, the Raya Natalakian Showbiz Edition.